One of the prominent ailments plaguing pregnant mothers is undernutrition. Not getting the right amount of nutrients at their most vulnerable stages has adverse effects that hinders normal growth in babies due to hormonal imbalance and vitamin deficiencies. Maternal anemia continues to be high in India. A national health survey in 2016 revealed that a large number of children in India are underweight and have moderately stunted growth. Crocus sativus, more commonly known as saffron, is one of the world's rarest spices. The legendary saffron can trace its roots back to ancient Greece and can be found growing in Iran, Spain and India. But the best variety comes from right here in India and is grown in the mystical plateaus of Pampore region in the Kashmir Valley. Saffron, the exotic golden spice, does more than just add color and flavor to various foods. Modern science has begun to recognize the power of saffron's bioactive compounds such as crocin, quercetin, potassium, picrocrocin and safranal. To use saffron, take 2 to 3 strands of saffron threads and soak it in water for 30 minutes. Add these with warm milk or any of your recipe during the second trimester, that is, 5th month onwards, or as suggested by your doctor. Saffron has over 150 volatile compounds known to balance hormones, easing mood swings, help in digestion, reducing morning sickness, and lowering blood pressure. It contains iron that helps boost hemoglobin levels in those who are anemic, ensuring healthy growth. Additionally, its medicinal properties help in conditions such as colds and coughs, stomach issues, uterine bleeding, insomnia, flatulence, and even heart trouble. Vitamin B6 content in saffron helps form red blood cells and assures nerves will function as they should. Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of medicine, regards saffron as one of its most valuable and versatile ingredients. It is used in Ayurvedic compounds to cure headaches, indigestion, cuts and burns, and skin care. With a wide array of health benefits that is found in saffron, Bell Saffron brings organic and healthy packs of saffron from the foothills of Kashmir. For a packet of only 1 kilogram, more than 150,000 flowers have to be meticulously handpicked during the blissful autumns right before the harsh winters of northern India set in. With over 60 years of sourcing pure saffron directly from the farmers across 3 generations of zamindars in Pampore, Kashmir, Bell Saffron has set the standard for quality and purity. We at Bell Saffron have built up the reputation in the market with the best practices in terms of business ethics and customer centricity, and we have earned its trust, goodwill and continuous patronage. The quality of saffron provided by Bell Saffron is lab tested as per the Bureau of Indian Standards and Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. Bell Saffron is all set to spread its wings to national and international markets. The future of India is a growing and developing one. Bell Saffron, with its quality standards, ethical business practices and customer trust, brings a tried and tested remedy to maternal anemia, prenatal cramps and insomnia and other such ailments. Ask your OB/GYN for recommendations to help pregnant mothers revitalize infants using Bell Saffron. Bell Saffron, world's finest crocus. Divine, pure.